Hi there, I'm Christopher Clark, professional fine artist and art instructor, and welcome to another edition of my painting course, Impressionism, Painting with Light. We'll talk a little bit about what Impressionism is. It is painting a scene with the focus on light and what light does to an object versus painting the thing itself. That's what the Impressionists in the late 1800s were really focused on, was how light interacted with something. They were less focused on every single detail and more focused on how light played on an object, which also leads to the point that they were more interested in clever, interesting brushwork as opposed to painting interesting detail. A lot of the artists of the time were really focused on hiding every single brushstroke, but the Impressionists were very happy to let all their brushwork show very prominently. So that doesn't mean that we are lazy with detail or just don't paint it if we don't feel like it. You know, a lot of people think that, oh, Impressionism is just, it's very sloppy painting and there's not a lot of details in there. What you really are trying to focus on is painting only the details that are the most important for telling your story. And the rest that aren't important, those are the ones that you leave out. So anyway, so we'll get to next some of the core concepts of painting that can be applied to every single painting.